Our cutting workshops utilize a state-of-the-art AGV automated guided vehicle system to streamline material handling. This system seamlessly connects our cutting lines, ensuring a continuous flow of materials and maximizing productivity. For edge banding, we utilize the highest quality machinery, fully automated lines from top manufacturers. This ensures perfect application of edge banding material, eliminating the need for manual touch-ups. We primarily use PUR hot melt adhesive, known for its superior waterproof properties, ensuring long-lasting durability. Our intelligent drilling lines utilize 6-sided positioning and 3 interconnected machines, guaranteeing accurate and consistent drilling, maximizing efficiency and minimizing production time. Our dedicated paint workshops on the 3rd and 4th floors utilize environmentally friendly, water-based paints for a healthy and safe finish. These paints provide excellent coverage, strong adhesion, and are resistant to water, wear, and aging. Our products are designed for straightforward assembly, making installation quick and easy. Efficiency, safety, and presentation are key to our packaging process. We use a 5-layer, high-strength corrugated cardboard with a clean outer wrap for optimal protection. Our state-of-the-art warehouse systems exemplify our commitment to quality and efficiency.